How to deactivate Facebook and Messenger account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can deactivate Facebook and Messenger account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, since Facebook and Messenger are interconnected, deactivating either one of these will deactivate both of these. So in order to do this, you can try to open the Facebook application, then tap the three lines option located at the top right corner of the screen. Then make sure to tap the gear icon that you can find here. As you do that, go to see more in the account center tab, and as you've done that, just go to personal details. Go to account ownership and control, deactivation or deletion, select Facebook, and then make sure to select deactivate account. Tap on continue. After that, you can simply choose to enter your password over here. Once you enter your password, tap on continue, and your Facebook as well as both your Messenger accounts will get successfully deactivated. This way you can deactivate both Facebook and Messenger account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.